Hi guys, so we've had our night stay at EOS, which is lovely. Love the bed, very comfy, in a bit of a mess at the moment, but not to worry. Andrew surprised me this morning, which was really sweet of him. He made up a jumper for me with PDU, Pokies Down Under, and look, and a cat. How sweet is he? Anyway, so we'll be posting the video soon, and which shows the game we played. We stayed on this dragon train game. Got lots of bonuses. We'll post that up soon, and we'll do a day 2, and we'll go back inside the casino today and do some more footage with that. Not sure what we're going to play. We'll see what's available. But first thing in the morning, we got the pick of the litter, really. I just wanted to ask people, do they do the same thing that I do when I stay at a hotel? Take all the freebies. Just hold on, I've forgotten one thing. Okay, so I always take the complimentary snacks, a must have. I always take the notepad, which is so handy when you're writing shopping lists. If you're old school like me and you don't use note thingy on your phone. Anyway, and of course the body wash, the shampoo, the conditioner, the body lotion. Beautiful, the smell is divine. And the soap, I'm taking the soap. Anyway, then of course, does anybody take tea bags for the girls at work? Because I do. I always take the tea bags, take them to work, put them in a pouch, and they use them. I don't drink tea, but other people do. Now this is going to sound a bit scungy, but the toilet paper. The toilet paper. Remember COVID times, guys. It was very important. I take the toilet paper. Not only that, I also take the tissues. I love these boxes of tissues. They're too expensive to buy. So I always take the tissues. Isn't it amazing? When you gamble, you don't want to buy things like special boxes of toilet paper that cost, I don't even know what it costs because I don't buy them. Anyway, the slippers. These are beautiful slippers. I always, I can't open it. Yep, I can open it. Look, we've only stayed one night, haven't used them. But I love their slippers here. They are comfy. We've got plenty, but I tend to take them and then I go and donate them. So sorry, EOS, but that's what I do. But yeah, just wondering out there, if anyone wants to comment, if they also take anything from the room, or do you just leave with your stuff that you came with? I don't know. To me, if you've spent the money, tonight, look, we got a deal. It was $199, which was good. Happy with that. But I just figure, hey, it's free, it's complimentary. Take it with you. Anyway, that's my bit of advice. Anyway, we'll see you later. And for the next video of more games. Cheers. Have a great day and good luck. One more thing I forgot. I also take the, not this one, I've opened it, but this one's not opened. The complimentary water. Mount Warning. What are they warning about? Okay, first bonus of the day. The dragon train didn't go off, so it's still stuck at 60,000. Come on, just one. Oh, I've got it. 250 mini, nice. 300, 350 there, that's nice. So this major stuck at 1,000. Come on. One more. Oh, come on, one more. Thank you. Okay, that's okay. I'm happy with that. 50 yen, so I'm happy with that. That's a good start to the day. Hopefully it will continue. Oh God, I forgot I'm in the games. Oh my lordy. I think I need to order a coffee. That's okay, look, 4.45, got to be happy with that. I'll come back in if I get another bonus. I ended up putting it down to 3 because I couldn't get a bonus, and then of course I get a bonus. Always the way. Oh, come on, just two. Yes, alright, we've got another chance. Four more games. It's not a bad start. Come on. Oh, come on, 2 more. Oh, hello. Oh. I'll pause it because when it will go to the thingies. That's good, that's fine. I'll just pause. Gosh, okay, just had a word with the host about something that I just cannot believe what happened. Didn't realise, but it's all good, we're back to the bonus. Let's continue with it. Oh, come on, don't stop, one more. Oh, thank you. Can we get a minor? We've still got 3 games. I'm happy with $3 bet. I've got my coffee, got my pineapple juice. Yum oh. Alright, let's go. Okay, nothing there, I think. Scroll. Oh, that's okay. Look, that's what is that? 193. I'm happy with that. I'm going to cash out the ticket, and then I'm going to start again with another 50. I think might be the best way to do it. Oops. Yep, we'll start again. So here again, 250 bonus. Sneaky blue, come on, one more, thank you. Oh, come on, one more, thank you. Oh, come on, just one more. Oh. It's okay. With them. Gosh, come on. Cute little baby numbers. Hopefully they'll drop that major. Or maybe a mini or a minor. Come on. Or if they just feel the spraying, that'd be. Oh, the minor went through. tree. Did you see, guys, up there? Oh my lord. Come on. Oh, please. Alright. Yeah, one more. Got everything crossed, don't you worry. Yeah, it'd be beautiful. Oh, wasn't meant to be. One more, honey. The miner went through here. Yeah. So Andrew's got a bonus extra. He's come and join me now. Was playing Dragon Link. It was Dragon Stink.
Dragon Stink?
Yeah, it was. Oh, go on. This is turning into ball sack, isn't it? Come on.
Don't need to buy you a Happy Meal. This might be a Happy Meal feature.
It might be.
You may get enough to buy a Happy Meal.
Oh my god.
Yeah, looks like a Happy Meal feature.
Oh, you've got your arrows.
Oh, might be an Angus burger meal.
Yeah, you might. And you've got,
Actually, they might buy
I
you
get a meal. We'll get both
they
two
might
meals.
buy you a
Yeah.
Parmesan schnitzel.
Oh,
Schnitzel
yeah.
Parmesan.
There you go. You've upgraded.
Yeah. So we got a feature on $25. I've just come back to the machine and put $100 in and lucky enough to get it on $25. And Amanda just joined me. She's just ran over. Look at her. She's so happy. Here we go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Oh, what have we got? That's 100. That's all right.
I went through.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh,
We might get all of them. Come on.
Oh, come on, one more.
Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Come on, mate. Come on. Oh, went through.
One more.
Oh,
Ah, bugger. That's all right.
that's okay.
That's about $600-700. Quick payout. There you go. $875. You happy? Oh, that's funny as.
All right,
Oh,
beautiful.
there you go. 800.
Thank you.
Oh, that's great.
Good choice, darling.
Well done. Wow, that's just paid us what, 5.5? Yeah, over $5,500. Thanks for coming. Thank you. There you go.
So, well, Andrew's killing it on the Dragon Link. I'm getting my ass kicked today. So I'm on one bet. Oh, oh, oh. balls. I really want to get the balls. Oh, come on, just two, just two. Yes! Oh, it's listened to me. Thank you. Okay, come on. Can I get that beautiful blue elusive miner betting 1 credit? What do you think my odds are? Come on, just keep going, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, come on. No, that's okay. We've still got 3 more games to go. I'm happy with that on a $2 bet, but gee whiz, it hasn't wanted to do the nuggets. We'll call them nuggets, gold nuggets, for quite some time. So at least I'm getting a decent win at 300. Come on. Oh, please, just one. Just one, just one, just one, just one, just one. No. Oh well, not to worry. What is that? 318. Okay. Oh. Alright, I'll come back in if I get the balls. Okay, and again. I got the balls on their own, so that's good. And we've already got 100 over that. Oh. 100 over there, come on. Oh, nice. Come on. One more, come on. Oh. Okay. I'm happy with that. That's okay. That's okay. I'd love to get a progressive though. But we'll keep going. I'm going to keep plodding along on this $2 one-line bet. The lady was telling me she got the miner doing it, so I'm just going to keep giving it a go. You never know. And how many? Oh, I've got 7. Oh, there we go. Okay, come on. Please drop a progressive. Come on. Oh, I do need to lift my game.
We had a challenge today and I'm winning at the moment.
He's definitely winning. Oh, come on, one more.
Come on.
Oh,
one more.
now if I can get this, I'll win the challenge, I'm pretty sure,
I think you
Andrew.
will win the challenge, I think.
Oh.
60,000. Here we go.
Come on.
Bang it.
Just drop, baby. I just would love to see the mini or the minor.
Well, someone else got a
Would
minor
that-
on a $2 bet.
That's what she was saying. That's why I kept it on here, but it's very hard. I will. I'll keep trying. In it soon after the last little bonus. Oh wow. Okay. Oh come on, numbers. It's the only way I can win, I think. Alright. Okay, so we've started that. Now can it drop the progressives, please? Come on. Let's go. Oh, anything? Come on. Right. Okay. Anything? No. Oh, well. 4 more games. Alright, $60. $28. Anything. I'm gonna gamble. Let's see. So if I go, okay. Oh, all right. I'm gonna go red. Is that a red diamond? And it's black. That happens every time I gamble. Every time. We're hoping, praying to the pokey gods. Oh yes, there we go. That's what happens when you pray to the pokey gods. You get a line in. So at least there's 300. Oh. Now can we get the numbers? Come on. Be nice. Oh, just one. Just one. Oh, booey. Oh, is that something? Oh no. Oh well, that's okay. That's okay. Can we get the numbers? Come on. Oh, two. Come on. No. Okay, look, that's fine. 324. I'm happy with that. And again. Come on. Oh, we've got 7. Come on. Oh, my $2 to it, do you think? Oh, if I can get that minor.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I want the blue one.
Oh, anything right now? Anything, thank
I
you.
love it when I win the challenge.
Alright, stop showing off.
Bragging rights for the week.
1. Oh, gosh. Oh, did they give you the diamond there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. We're going to go and have some lunch, have a break. Oh, there are your drinks, darling. You got your drinks there.
This is a famous Tipsy and Dry.
Yes.
Highly recommended.
Well, we don't endorse drinking.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. All right, we'll be back after lunch. So what's that? About 4:20. Okay, we'll be back after lunch. Okay. Oh, I thought I'd just show. Yeah, we were comped a meal by the lovely Penny, which was really nice. So we've got some seafood linguine, which looks yummy, and some lovely garlic bread. That's what we've chosen anyway. So cheers. Came back from lunch, put 150 in. Got the line here. What's that? 210. Nice. Oh, nearly got it again. Okay. Maybe it's woken up. So that took too much to get a bonus. Oh, come on, just one. Just one. Please be 111. Oh my God. And nothing lines up. Wow. Oh, jeepers creepers. Oh. Just one. Come on. Oh, at least I got 100. It's something. Oh. Come on, progressive. Come on. Oh, one more. Thank you. Come on. One more. Come on. Okay, at least we got 100. Alright. Come on. Okay. So 247.
So I was betting $5, but then I thought I'd be good, and I have been betting $1.25, but I had a feature and it paid me $35. So then I did a sneaky $6.25 bet, and the feature come up. Let's go. Hopefully I can get the major of 1,300. It would be great. Let's go. Come on, ×2, line up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. That went alright. The minor mini. Come on, keep going, keep going. Oh, games again. Might be a good one. This is the same machine that I pulled out 5,500. Not sure if it's got anything left in it to give, but we'll see. Come on. Coins would be good. Come on, coins, coins. Come on. Monday Madness. We're calling it today. Monday Madness. Let's go. Come on. Come on, give us a coin. Oh, okay. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's okay. 123. That's all right. In for another bonus. This one's better numbers. $375 ball, $100 ball, 75. So probably got about $600 there already. Let's go. Hopefully it continues, but we've got 7, so sometimes we don't get another one. Come on, drop another one. Yeah, see? 7. Oh, that's all right. Come on, keep going. Hopefully that major can land. Let's go. Come on. That's all right. Keep going. Come on. Drop that major. Well, that's a good bonus. I was betting $2.50. I thought I just had another feature. Didn't give me anything, so that's why I put it on $7.50. So it does pay for you to put the bets up occasionally. We'll do a quick pay. Wow, it's $945. Wow, that's awesome. That's fantastic. What a good day on this machine. I think it's paid out over $6,500 on this machine today. So it's a good day. I'll hopefully we can keep going. See you soon.
The cappuccino. Andrew just got another win, thank goodness. And yeah, $1.25. And got some good numbers. Oh, come on, one more. What's that? Oh, yeah, I think that lasts for 3 minutes. Yeah, and then it comes off. So you're better to put a board. Oh, you got a board there? Yeah.
But yeah, you're right.
I don't know what they do, like in Melbourne, they don't have those reserve boards, and even in Queensland. Yeah, but I prefer the board.
Actually, I think
So we're in for another feature. $5 bet on a dollar denom. Let's see how we go. Come on. Come on. Hopefully get a mini might be a good idea. We only had one mini today. Or a blue one would be even better. Oh no. Hang on, they're both spinning. They're both spinning. You're joking. Come on, come back. They both are spinning then. Come on. One more. Come on. Drop it for 50,000. Oh, bugger. Oh my god. There might be something in that. They were both spinning. Wow.
Oh, expensives. Come on. Oh. Did she? Oh, really? Oh, 120. Thank you. Come on, please. Oh no, come on. $2.50. Nice. So just change the Xenon to $1 bet. I thought I'd just okay. I wish I went to 5 though at least, but not to worry. That's okay. I can just get the numbers either side and still drop a minor on $3. Yeah, I thought it was a blue one. The minor. Or 15 balls. Alright. Come on. Oh, one ball. One, no. Oh, 80 balls. Oh, well. What can you do? Okay, so what is that, 93? Yeah, 93. So the grand just went off. Lucky gentleman just won 60,000 on a $3 bet. Said he was just about to jump off the machine too. Oh golly. I can't even get a mini.
Spin before I had 5 with the major. Hopefully it comes back. Come on. Let's go. Oh, mini, that's nice. That's alright. Oh, are they all going through? Again. Oh my god. Oh, except for the bottom one. The Dragon train just went off, $60,000. A lucky gentleman just won it, so it's my turn. Will they let the 50,000 go today? Come on, one more. Oh, that's alright. How lucky is that? When we first come in today, I had the choice. I was the first one at that bank of machines. That's 330. And a major that was stuck on 1,000 and it went off on the end machine. Like very, very lucky. What happened?
Okay.
What happened? I just got a feature.
I got a feature.
I just had a snooze. I was sleeping.
All right. Well, let's just start the bonus,
Oh, let's
darling.
go, come on.
Okay.
Oh, $56. Come on. Come on, times 2, baby. You gave it to me once before. Come back. And I might take you out for dinner. If that lady comes back, I'll take her out. Come on. She gave me $4,000 last time.
You know, some
Come
people
on.
do say that's a man, darling,
Is it?
or a young boy. Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No. That is not.
That's
No,
rude.
don't even say that.
Well, I'm sorry. That's what
No.
they say.
Well,
Oh, 59. That's
that
the
can't
shambles.
be. He's a man and he's a girl. That's a
Darling,
girlfriend.
I don't know.
That's
Oh,
the
there's a bit of
girlfriend.
lipstick,
That's the
maybe.
girlfriend of this man. He looks
Is
angry.
it? Oh, okay.
Yes,
Oh.
that's Brandon.
Okay. Just gonna try.
The man is playing my machine. So we put 100 in and
Oh, one. Oh,
12.50.
come on. Anything.
There's no win at all. Is it?
Nothing. That's my stand tip for today.
0.
0. Okay. In it again. Come on.
These baby ones.
No.
Baby bonus.
It's all I've had, really. Oh, that's how I felt today.
Come on, keep going. Drop a mini.
Look, I wouldn't mind if it's 3 more fives.
Oh, a blue one.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Go.
Come on. One more.
Come on, drop it. Make it exciting.
Shoot. Okay, 115. Do it again. Okay.
I just want to ask a question.
Oh.
Is this a girl or a boy? Because I reckon it's a girl. Does anyone know if it's a girl or boy? Can you let us know in the
Because
comments?
I thought it was a boy soldier. Oh, sorry.
Yes, and I think it's a girl.
Andrew thinks it's a girl, so we're just curious if you could let us know what you think.
Got the feature on 5.
Got the feature. Giddy up, giddy up. Okay. Oh, fingers, toes, everything is crossed. Oh my gosh. Come on, please, something line up. 10s? Yeah, we've got 10s. Oh, but look at that, honey.
I know.
You're joking.
It'll be 2,000.
Oh my god.
That's 400, though.
Oh, is it? Oh, 400. Oh, nice. But yeah, if that was there.
It'll be 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh. At last, something.
That's alright, 400. Something. There you go. Come on, keep going. Don't stop.
Come on. Oh my gosh. All right, 435. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, one. What the hell?
Right. It went down here.
I thought I accidentally pressed something big, but I hadn't. Oh my god, seriously?
Right,
Really?
wouldn't it?
So typical. Okay.